how to make $100,000 per month on YouTube. No face, no voice, no recording. Completely free and works worldwide, and you can make money from YouTube within 2 months. Before we start, welcome to our channel where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. So whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions or opinion about these videos, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. These channels that you can see, they are uploading videos around 2 months now, and they're already monetized, and they have a 70 plus videos, and you can see some of the videos are getting millions of views, and they are making videos without showing your face. Basically, this channel's getting around 6,000 to 7,000 subscribers every single month, millions of views, and around $2,000 to $3,000 every single day. Basically, what they do is they make a movie review or summary. They pick a movie and they make a summary video so other people can understand. Then you can see these are movie summaries or different movies. Instead of they putting the title of the movie, they put a sentence or scene from that movie as a title, and this thumbnail also is coming from the movie, so they don't spend any money to create the thumbnail. And basically they make a summaries and they make money from it, guys. Now you can see here, you can do this videos completely free. If you watch this video until the end, I'm going to walk you through step-by-step method. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get script for free, so you can make video like this one, how to do a voiceover, and how to make a video without getting copyright strike or copyright claim from third party. So you need to watch the video until the end. So what you have to do now, you have to go to Google and type the movie that you want to do a review, and in the end you're going to type synopsis. So in this case, I want to do a summary of Avengers Endgame, which is one of my favorite movie. I'm going to type Avengers Endgame and type synopsis. So synopsis is a basic summary of that movie. So one of the best website is called IMDb. If you open this website, then you can see this is a synopsis of the movie, and you can just, what you have to do, copy this entire synopsis like this one, and you're going to go to a website called Quillbot. We're going to copy that and paste that on here, and it will rewrite that entire sentence. If you are using a free account with it, it's only at 400 character at the time, so you need to convert the entire paragraph, entire articles, 400 character at each time, guys. After you rewrite your entire synopsis like this one, now you can make money from it. And also, I'm going to show you a bonus website, which is called, this website is called filmsite.org. Then you can see here, you can get a synopsis for 100 great films. These are films, older films, so you can create entire new YouTube channels on older movies. So you can see the movies that you must watch, or the movies in the greatest movie at all time, something like that. And you can see there's 100 movie synopsis already given to you. All you have to do, rewrite that, and you can make a simple video. Now I'm going to show you how you can do a voiceover and how you can make a video. So basically, you can record your own voice. If you don't want to record your own voice, you can go to a website like Read Speaker, copy and paste the paragraph or articles, and it will automatically convert that into human like a voiceover. And again, if you want to learn about more ways to convert the text into speech, there's a couple of tools. Some of them are free, some of them are paid. I have a couple of videos on those tools. These are the couple of videos. I put the card over here and the link in the description. Go and check it out. So you can use these tools and you can convert that text into speech completely free. So at this time, you have the script history, and the script is automatically converted into voiceover. You need to make a videos. You can't use entire movie clips on your videos and without a license. If you have a license, you can use it. Otherwise, you will get copyright strike or claim. To prevent that, you can use 10 to 30 seconds of that movie clips. Again, you can't use that continuously. So what you to avoid that, what you do, you can go to website like Pixels or Pixabay. You can get the relevant video clips which is royalty free. This one. The second, what you do, go to Google and find images on your movies like these ones. And also what you do, go to YouTube and find a short clips on the movie. So for example, you can say Avengers Endgame short clips. These are the videos, are short clip videos. I download a bunch of them, and you're gonna cut them into 10 to 15-second long. So you're gonna mix them up with royalty free videos and images and some movie clips, so it won't get a copyright strike or crime, guys. Now you're gonna mix it up with them, and you're gonna add a royalty free background music. That's it, guys. Your video is done. You can spend around 1 to 2 hours every single day and make these videos. That you can see, I think they publish one video every single week, and they are 10 minutes long, so they can put multiple ads in that videos, and they make money from it, guys. You can see how much money they are making. This is completely a free and easy method to do, and there's untapped market, and lots of channels are popping up with this same niche. And you can see this channel is only created 2 months ago, and they already monetize, and they are making $5,000 to $6,000 every single day, guys. And you can see their subscribers rate also going up, and the views also going up. So you can make money from YouTube without showing your face, without recording any voice, and this method work worldwide, guys. Guys, I hope you understand these videos. If you really like these videos, all you have to do is subscribe, like these videos, and leave a comment what kind of video that you want to watch in the future. I will make that for you guys. And with that, have a good day. See you in the next video, guys.